a particle of mass m and charge q is placed at rest, means initial velocity of that particle of charge q is 0 in uniform electric field of intensity E and then released, then the momentum gained by a particle after moving a distance s, what is the momentum gained by that particle? So see here, situation is like this. We are having a uniform electric field produced in a space between the two parallel plates, of which upper plate is given higher positive potential, lower plate is given lower or negative potential. So uniform electric field is produced from top to bottom. Now in this uniform electric field, charge q of mass m, initially it is kept stationary, means u is equal to 0. As soon as we release that charge, it starts moving, means its velocity goes on changing, and suppose v is the velocity gained by that charged particle. Then the momentum of a particle p is equal to m into v, means after travelling a distance s, let v is the final velocity of particle, v is equal to v when that particle travels a distance s. Now the relationship between initial velocity, final velocity and that of what? Displacement of particle according to kinematical equation, v square is equal to u square plus 2a into s. Here u is 0, means v square is equal to 2a into s. V square is equal to 2a into s, say equation number 1. Now force acting on charged particle, force on charged particle. What is force acting on charged particle? Force F acting on a charged particle q which is kept in uniform electric field of intensity E. We know force due to electric field F is equal to QE. F is equal to what? Q into E. But also we know, according to Newton's second law of motion, force is equal to mass into acceleration. So acceleration A is equal to F divided by m. F is equal to Q into E. So A is equal to QE divided by m. QE divided by m, say equation 2. By using equation 2, equation 1 becomes V square is equal to 2 into, now in place of A we can write QE divided by m into that S as it is, therefore V is equal to, here V square is this much, so V is equal to under root of, taking square root on both sides, so V is equal to 2QES divided by m, 2QES divided by m. But we want to find out what is the momentum gained by that particle, P is equal to m into V, that is equal to m into under root of 2QES divided by m. When this m is taken inside the square root, then P is equal to under root of 2QES m square. When m is taken inside, it becomes m square divided by m. So this one m get cancelled, and the momentum gained by charged particle, it becomes equal to 2QEMS. So out of 4 options, look at option D. Momentum gained by charged particle 2MEQS. So option D is the correct option for this question.